So in this video, I want to show you how you can create a cartoon character, or let's say a small baby dancing to a music, all right, to any music. Okay, I'm sure you may have seen a video of a baby like this one. Let me show you something. Baby like this, dancing to a song. It's trending. I love this one. Okay, I'm sure you may have seen a video of these babies. So I want to teach you how you can create it. So to start with, first and foremost, you need to see something like that and you like it. So I just want to screenshot this baby. Just want to screenshot it because I want to use it to generate prompts. Okay, it mustn't be this baby. Any baby that you want to create. If you have a baby in mind, you can prompt your AI to give you the baby. All right. So when you have this, the next thing you want to do is you want to get somebody who has done something like that. Okay, I already have a video of somebody who has a dance in my gallery, but you can pick anyone. You can all these TikTokers who dance a lot, you can get their video. I have a video here I downloaded this afternoon. I already screenshot this baby's picture I want to use. So I have a video I downloaded also. This is a video of this lady dancing here. This lady. Okay. So I want that baby to dance to what this lady is dancing. So the first thing I want to do is to take that image. First of all arrange the image. Let me just take it there like that. I think I like this one. Okay, let me just use this one. So this is the image we're going to use. So go to Gemini. I've been using ChatGPT, so this time around let's use Gemini. All right, so click on Gemini. Let me bring the image again. You just click on it, click on gallery, and bring the image to Gemini. So this is the image of the baby. We want to use this image. You click on it. Then you ask ChatGPT, ask Gemini to give you prompts. Okay, give me 3 different prompts to create a 3D image of this African baby. The prompts should maintain the same face but different attires. Give me 3 different prompts to create a 3D image of this African baby. The prompt should maintain the same face but different attires. Okay, so you prompt it to give you 3 different prompts. We're going to use a prompt to create the image of this baby. Okay, so it's giving me prompts. The first prompt will give me high resolution photo realistic 3D render of the baby from image with her exact features, joyful expression, tongue slightly out, playful pause, blah 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 blah. So I want to try something with the first prompt. So copy the prompt. Okay, then paste the same prompt here. Just tell it to create a high resolution blah blah blah. So just drop it. Let's see what it will give us. If it doesn't give us what we want to, we'll try the second prompt or the third one. But if it gives us what we want, to just save our time and proceed, so that you see how people create those videos you watch. Are you seeing the video? Are you seeing the prompt? Very beautiful. I love the image. So let's stay with this one. It's beautiful. So we'll save the image. You click on it and save. I usually like to remove this Gemini map. I showed you how to do it already in one of the videos. So I go to Snapseed, click on the plus, then bring in the image, then use my healing brush, click on tools, click on healing, let's just touch this thing. You have removed the Gemini logo there, so you export. So once you are ready with the image, you head to your other app, which is this app I showed you, this Kling AI. Once you click on Kling AI, then you click on, now if you are new, you sign up. It will show you where to sign up. You sign up. Okay, you sign up. Once you sign up, you navigate to down here. Click on AI video. Then where you have all these things here, go to motion control. You click on motion control. Then you paste the image of the lady, that young lady. You select that spot and put her image there. The image of the young lady, don't forget the image of the young lady, that's baby. You put that image there. Then once the image comes in there, you select this plus here you are seeing here, add motion video. This motion, that's the video of the person dancing that you want the baby to replicate. You click on it. Then you go to your gallery and select the video of that person. Here's the video. So this is a video here. This is a video. Alright, sometimes you may not get it accurately at first. You keep trying and trying before you get. You wait for it, it's loading. Once it comes, you will see this green border around it. It's loading and coming. Okay, so but once it's coming, I want us to paste a particular prompt down here. Okay, so both. Okay, so the image is loading. The video is loading. The video is still loading. I'm going to pause it and come back because I don't want the video to be too long. It's loading. But while it's loading, we can still do another thing. I want to scroll up. I don't know why it's not scrolling. I want to add the prompt. The prompt we're going to use to generate that. Maybe the image has not come. That's why. Let the image come. Let the image come. Once it comes, you can now put the prompt. Because you are going to give it a prompt. You are going to command it to. Okay, so the image has come. It even came twice. Okay. So, okay, this is it. So, in this place where you have prompt, you click on it. Then you paste this prompt. I'll drop this prompt for you. All right. The character in the uploaded image should replicate the exact motion, expression, and steps shown in the reference video. Okay. Once you have written that, you scroll back and click on. It's slow. That's why I prefer to use laptop for some of these things. Really slow. Okay, so you click on this green box here. Okay, click on it. Once you have placed the prompt, click on that thing and then wait for it to generate the video for you. Okay, so it's asking me to purchase. I might have to just purchase so that we can do this. So just give me some moment. Let me do the purchase so that we can do this. Okay, I told you it's so I've upgraded. Okay, so they asked me to upgrade with about the first time was 1,800 and something. Then when I tried to do it, they say my unit was not enough, and then they asked me to buy another 8,000, which I paid 8,000 plus for it. So totally I spent like 10k just to subscribe to be able to download this video. All right, so but I'm happy because you have learned something from it. So if you are going to go into AI video creation, I would encourage you to subscribe to one or two of these applications so that you have stable premium version for whatever you want to do. All right, so this video is still downloading. Once it's done downloading, you will see the result of what we have done. So this is the result that we eventually got. All right, this is the result. It's still loading. Almost done now. Very unique, right? It copied everything that lady did. Copied almost everything the lady did with a childlike spirit. So the 10,000 naira we spend, I think is worth it. But I think if you are going to subscribe, if you are going to generate clear video like this, probably want to subscribe, maybe subscription, you'll be able to do more. And if you are very fortunate, your YouTube videos started getting traction, people started coming to watch your YouTube or your TikTok videos, and you are monetized, you are going to make a lot of money from it. Right? So that's how it works. I hope you have learned now. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to download. So you just download. Okay? Who's ready? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah,